Hello everyone and welcome to Best Gadget channel. Today we will test this Wi-Fi smart security camera. Beuui with 3 megapixel outdoor security camera delivery 2048 in 1536 pixel images, more details than 1980 x 1080 IP camera. Beuui PTZ with 4 pieces LEDs and 4 white LEDs, offer 3 light mode. White light mode give you color image all day, normal mode delivery black and white image in night, smart double light mode only with white light when someone detected at night. Compared with ordinary motion detection, Beuui 3.0 MP Wi-Fi PTZ cameras comes with AI human technology, only push alerts to your smartphone when detect human movement, reducing the false alarm rate caused by falling leaves or flying birds. Smart alarm setting, Beuui 3 megapixel surveillance IP camera offer various alarm setting. You can customize alerts cordons or area, especially for customized siren voice, make screenshots or setting alarm recording depend on your needs. Smart Playback let you find what you concern fast. Two-way audio and two-way storage, this outdoor home camera built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to communicate with the person in front of the camera no matter where you are. The 3.0 MP Wi-Fi camera support up to 128GB micro SD card storage or cloud storage, cloud service only free for first month. Support operate in non-wireless environment. This outdoor security camera with the AP hotspot function, you can view it from phone when you stay in non-wireless condition but need near the IP camera. Beuui offer 45 days free return, 365 days free warranty and lifetime tech support. Any question during using the wireless security camera?
Connect to router successfully.